In this video, I'm going to talk about changing your self-view options in Webex. Webex recently added the ability to change your background. So I'm going to go to my video menu, click here on the side, and I can choose Change Virtual Background. So I can simply blur my background, or I can choose one of these fancy pictures. It's not perfect, but it hides a great deal of your background if you don't want everyone else seeing it. The other thing I can do is hide my self-view completely if I don't want to be looking at myself. So to do that, go to your upper right corner and choose the active speaker view. This puts your picture in a tiny little frame at the bottom, and if you click this button here, your own self-view will go away. Those are two quick ways you can make sharing your own video a bit more comfortable on Webex.